Hello everyone, I'm George from TSS, and in today's video we'll be unboxing the TSS multi-point door handles lever movable pad 9262mm PZ with 240mm screw centres. Like all TSS multi-point door handles, these are supplied boxed with the components inside individually bagged. You will receive one accessory kit. This contains two sets of fixings, one long and one short, two solid spindles and two removable spring cassettes. Also your handle set. These particular handles are available in white, as you can see in the video, black, polished chrome, polished brass and silver. The polished chrome, polished brass and silver handles are salt spray tested to 240 hours. All of the handles are cycle tested to 50,000 operations. I'll go over the handle measurements with you now. Back plate measurement on these handles is 270mm by 32mm. Internal PZ is 92mm. Your screw centers are 240mm. Top fixing to center of the spindle cutout is 106mm. Base of the euro to the center of the bottom fixing is 17mm. Your external pad side has a 62mm PZ, with the top fixing point to the center of the spindle cutout being 136mm. Thank you for watching.